Are you looking for a detachable tow bar that excels in user-friendliness? You will find the diagonally detachable tow bar to be the solution. The diagonally detachable tow bar is very easy to operate. The housing in which the ball locks is partly visible under the bumper of your car. When locking the tow ball, you insert it in the housing with a diagonal movement. By pushing the ball slightly downwards, the tow bar automatically locks itself. Thanks to ErgoClick, you will hear an audible click when locking the tow ball. Besides an audible confirmation, the diagonally detachable tow bar also offers you a visible confirmation. The rotary knob has a built-in color indicator consisting of color codes. When green, the system is ready for use. Red means a new attempt is required. After locking the tow ball, you can pull down the fold-away socket from behind the bumper of your car with a simple hand movement. The diagonally detachable tow bar is theft-proof. The tow bar has a permanent security lock with key. You are ready to hook up your bike carrier, trailer, caravan, horse box or boat trailer and hit the road confident that it is 100% safe. When you are finished using your diagonally detachable tow bar, it is easy to remove. After you unlock the anti-theft lock, two simple actions are required to unlock the tow ball as well. On the rotary knob, two arrows make both actions visible. The tow ball is unlocked by pushing the rotary knob in the direction of the ball and turning it with the thumb in a smooth, downwards motion. The Smart Turn enhances the ease of use. It has a downward movement, which means that your hands turn from the bumper of the car when operating the rotary knob. After unlocking the diagonally detachable tow bar, you can remove the tow ball. All our detachable tow bars come with a storage bag, so the tow ball can be stored in your boot without getting the interior dirty. Finally, you can turn the socket behind the bumper with a simple movement. An advantage is also that the diagonally detachable tow bar is maintenance-free. The tow bar is provided with a cover which can be slid into the housing after detaching the tow ball. This way it would completely cover the housing, keeping it clean and free from grit. If you walk around your car now, the housing and cover are not or barely visible. This makes the diagonally detachable tow bar largely invisible.